On screen we can see that we have a page called Translate tool, which was created before, that contains a text in French that we want to translate. We are going to test the Translate tool now, which you can find in the View panel. The Translate tool has two options, Translate Section or Translate Page. We select the page which we would like to translate, and then we click on the Translate tool button and select the section option. On the right, a translator will appear and will let us choose which language we want to translate our text into. The From option is automatically detected by the computer. We can then click the Insert button and our section will be translated into the chosen language. The translator tool is quite useful but has a downside. If you translate any language into English, then the translation will be nearly completely correct, with barely any mistakes. But if you try to translate from English to another language, there is a good chance that there will be mistakes in it.